Alright, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2013 Honda Accord 2.4 and we're doing a starter on it. I'm going to show you what we got going on. No start. Has power. Lights come on. But that starter, it's just whining. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
There's that starter. 2 bolts holding it. Connector, power wire. And it's located in the rear underneath the intake manifold. So we're gonna have to jack it up, get up under it. Move that negative terminal. Get up under here. A little oil leak going on. Possible rear main seal. Might need to replace that gasket back there. Alright. This is the oil pan, and right here is the starter. So we got to take this off, which is, it's already off. Alright, so that's off. It's a clip that you press, or you push on it and pull up. That's our connector right here. We're going to undo that. Got to push tab on it. And this rubber boot here, we got to take that off to get to that nut. You can see I put a 12 mil socket on it, ready to break that free. Alright, we got it off. Top bolt, that's our top bolt, 14 mil, and the bottom one, that's the bottom one right there. You take out the top one first and then the bottom. Got a deep socket on there with my ratchet, break that free. That's how long that one is. That top bolt. So when I broke it free, I switched up the ratchet and got the short one. So I can just do that and get it out. And it's ready to come out. Matching up, ready to go back in. Set it off up in there. Go ahead and hook up our connectors. hooked up. Now I'm gonna put the bolts in. And we in there. Hook the cable back up. And we're gonna see if it start up. Let's see what we got. That's it. Alright, hope the video helped out. Until next time, the Pull Up King.